This is the Forsberg Racing Patrol, a reborn Y60 legend now packing 1,000 horsepower. Under the hood is the famous Nissan TB48 inline-6, boosted by a Garrett G42 turbo setup with full cooling and fueling support. The suspension and rolling stock are inspired directly by NISMO Off Road engineering, matched to 35-inch Yokohama mud terrains on beadlock wheels. Inside, it stays functional and focused with Recaro seating and a quick-release steering system. This build doesn't chase nostalgia. It honors heritage by evolving it. The Patrol has always been a machine known for toughness and capability across deserts and rugged territory. Now, it returns with the power and presence to match its legacy, ready to write new chapters in Nissan's off-road story.